Hello and welcome once again. Throughout this week, I am presenting short selections from Pope Francis's newest encyclical, just released on October the 3rd. In this encyclical, Pope Francis calls for worldwide social friendship. He calls for greater solidarity among all the people of the world. And in today's selection that I will read, the Pope is focusing on the issue of those who are migrating from one country to another. And so he says, migrations more than ever before will play a pivotal role in the future of our world. At present, however, migration is affected by the loss of that sense of responsibility for our brothers and sisters, on which every civil society is based. Europe, for example, seriously risks taking this path. Nonetheless, aided by its great cultural and religious heritage, it has the means to defend the centrality of the human person and to find the right balance between its twofold moral responsibility to protect the rights of its citizens and to assure assistance and acceptance to migrants. I realize that some people are hesitant and fearful with regard to migrants. I consider this part of our natural instinct of self-defense. Yet, it is also true that an individual and a people are only fruitful and productive if they are able to develop a creative openness to others. I ask everyone to move beyond those primal reactions because there is a problem when doubts and fears condition our way of thinking and acting to the point of making us intolerant, closed, and perhaps even, without realizing it, racist. In this way, fear deprives us of the desire and the ability to encounter the other.